Snow blankets London after the UK was hit by heavy falls and freezing conditions, causing major travel disruption. It came on the eve of Tuesday's national rail strike that is already expected to bring the country to a grinding halt. But some found time to enjoy themselves. In a country more used to heavy snowfalls, blizzards not surprisingly caused expected flight delays at Riga airport. Road travel was also hit. Due to poor driving conditions, so-called free blizzard tickets for car drivers have been introduced in Riga's public transport for Monday and Tuesday. Estonians were also battling the wintry conditions where blizzards brought power cuts to more than 4,000 households in the south of the country. And in Kyiv, workers rushed to clear the streets of the heavy snow in the Ukrainian capital. Russian strikes on the country's energy infrastructure are adding urgency to their work, with the inevitable power cuts that follow the targeted attacks.